Thank you.
Good. Best of luck.
Thank you.
Hi, Shreyansh. Hello.
Hello, hello. Hi.
Shreyansh, can you open your camera and share your screen?
Yes, sir, yes, sir. Just a second. Okay. Yes, sir.
Can you share your screen? Do you have the access to share your screen?
Hello.
Can you share your screen? Do you have the access to share your screen?
Yeah, yes, sir. I am sharing my screen.
Okay, fine. Because the previous candidate was not able to share his screen.
Okay.
Okay, okay, Shreya. So we'll first start with your brief introduction about who you are, from where you are, what kind of a professional experiences you have, and what kind of projects you have done. Okay, so can you kindly just give me a brief intro about yourself in within say 5 minutes?
Okay, sir. Just give me a second, sir. Sorry. I think my microphone is not working properly. Just give me a second, sir.
Okay, 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 fine. Please adjust.
Hello. Am I audible, sir?
Yes, you are audible. Yes, you are audible.
Okay. 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 So, good evening, sir. My name is Shreyas Patel. I belong from Varanasi, India. I have completed my graduation degree from NIT Rourkela in electrical engineering in 2021. After that, I worked for a startup named Insurance Deco as a business analyst for 7 months. Uh, then I take a step back from my career and want to learn tech. So I joined FunctionUp back in January 2022. So from past 5 months, I am working as a backend developer training at FunctionUp and learning a backend technology there. So that's all about me.
Okay, Shreya. So, why did you leave your business analyst and want to join as a backend developer? What are your aspirations? What is the driving force that is there for you to join as a backend, and why not front end?
Okay, sir. So, sir, when I was in college, I always wanted to learn technology and text and programming language, but due to lack of opportunity and proper guidance, somehow I was not able to do it. Even I tried to learn Python and other things, and I learned a little bit, but at that time I was not able to crack interview in a tech company. And one more thing I want to point out here is that during our like graduation period, Corona was at its peak. So we don't know about job opportunity and security. But at that time, I am getting a job from the campus as a business analyst. So I decided to take it up at that time because I don't know what future holds for me. And during that Corona time. But after working for 7 months as a business analyst, I realized that my interest doesn't lie in this field. So I decided to take a step back and want to learn tech. But again, the question came for me that from where did I learn, from how I learn. So there was an opportunity in the function up. So I joined function up at that time to learn backend technology.
Okay, fine. Yes. Okay, so I got your point. I know your background. Can you just go to the Zoom? I have sent you one link. Can you open it up so that we can start?
Okay, just a second, sir. Yeah. Yes, sir, I am at my Zoom.
Okay, and go to the chat. I've sent you one lead code question. Okay, so just open this up. I think you already know about lead code. Your second tab is of lead code only.
Yeah, like I have solved a lot of question on lead code even now, like I am practicing. Yeah,
Okay.
so the question that is, let me just open it. Oh, okay,
Okay, so you'll be using JavaScript to code, right?
okay,
Okay, so the thing is that, so here is the question. So can you go to example number one? I'll show you. So we have roads. Okay, so we are given an array of roads from 0 to 1, 1 to 2, 2 to 3. Okay, so we have the diagram of these roads is given just above it. Okay, so we have a road from station number 0 to station number 1, from station number 1 to station number 2. Similarly, all the roads are given. Okay, total how many stations are there? That is represented by n equals to 5. That means 5 stations will be there. Now you have to assign
Okay.
these blue colors. You see in blue colors in station number 2, they have given us 2, in
Yes,
station
sir.
number 1 they have given us 4. So you have to assign these blue
Yes, sir.
colors in such a way that when you add up these things, for example, uh, we have road 0 to 1, 1 to 2. From 0 to 1, they have given 4, 2 plus 4, 6. Okay. So we have 2 plus 4, 6 is there. Can you go down in the explanation part? You can see the road 0, 1 has an importance of 2 plus 4, that is 6. Similarly, the road 1 to 2 will be having 4 plus 5, 9. Okay, now you just add up these 6, 9, 8, 7, and then the final total will come. That is the importance of all roads, that is 43. So your task is to assign these blue color numbers in such a way that the total importance of all the road is maximum.
Okay.
Okay.
Yeah.
So have you gotten the problem? Do you get the problem now?
Yeah. Yes.
Acha,
Yes, sir.
first of all, Shreyans, tell me, do you think this is a graph problem?
Uh, we are multi-dimensional array. And 0, 7, 1, 2, 2, 3, 2, 3, 2, 3, 2, 2, 3. So, sir, let me think for the like a few minutes, and I will tell you
Okay, okay,
whether
you
we
can
can
take a
solve
minute.
it
Okay, you
with
can.
the. Okay. Thank you, sir. Uh, mm, sir, sir, I have like a counter question on this.
Okay.
Sir, we are just given two input. Like we are just given two input, where n equal to a number of roads and the roads connecting like a zero to one, zero to connecting one, one to connecting. But
Yes,
how
yes.
will I get like these numbers?
This you have to
Like
decide in your
how
program.
will I access?
This you have to decide in your program.
Okay.
So you have to give importance yourself. You have to design a logic that you distribute these importance to every station.
So I think since from a multiple point we can go like anywhere. Like from a zero, either we can go to the one or we can go to the five, and like here two connecting
Shreyans,
with the three other cities. So
I just want to tell you one thing. First of all, can you just tell me just one thing? Do you think this is a graph problem?
yes, sir, I think this is a graph problem. With
What
the
if I
graph,
tell
it
you
can be
this is
solved
not a
easily.
graph problem? This is a array problem. Now think about it.
Two, three, four.
Okay, so it's not a graph problem. Do not think about BFS, DFS, Descartes, Floyd Warshall, nothing like that. It's a simple array problem. So, for say station number
Sir,
one,
sir,
yeah.
hello,
You
hello,
can take
hello.
your time. You can take your time.
Okay, sir, thank you, sir. Okay, चार 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 है और ये दो दो और ये और ये चार से चार स्क्वायर तो ये चारों को कनेक्ट करता है ये तीन तो ठीक है ये दो है ये दो है और ये दो है और ये दो है ये दो है और ये दो है हो जाएगा सॉफ्टवेयर के ऊपर हम जीरो जो हमारा होगा जीरो जो हमारा होगा तो डिसाइड कैसे करेंगे तो उसको मतलब कि जीरो हमारा दो जो होगा वो चार लगाया होगा एक दो तीन चार नाइस नाइस दो चार okay sir, I think sir I can solve this with the help of array I just suggested. uh, Sir, like the a major task in this question is to assign a value like a blue color a value to each city. Okay, so
Yes.
what will we do is that we count like the number of times a particular like a number either 0, 1, 2, 3, 4 have occurred in our array. Okay, so those who occurred the a maximum time, we will assign a maximum priority to that point. Okay, after
Yes,
that,
very good, very
then
good, very good.
we will come to the
Yes, very good.
it's
You
like
have cracked
a
it.
frequency counter. Like
Yes. Now I want you to write the entire program for this, a working solution to this. Okay. You have cracked the logic of it. You are absolutely
okay,
right. Now just complete this particular program so that we can run it, we can submit it, and it runs all the test cases. Okay.
okay, sir. Let me try. Oh, sir.
Shreyans, tell me one thing.
Okay.
You are
Yes, sir.
using let obj equals to empty parenthesis. Okay.
Yes, sir.
Uh, do you think this is a right and a fast approach?
Sir, we can use like a hash map also because hash
So
map
why are you
works
not
a
using
better.
hash map but you are using this? Which is faster? First of all, tell me this.
Sir, hash map is faster, I think, in comparison to object. We can
Okay,
use
so
hash
you
map
should
also,
use
sir.
hash map because
But
if you are not using hash map, then what will do is that it is going to give TLE for certain test cases.
okay,
Okay, so try to use that.
sir, one of the reason I using this uh, so it gives key in the in the sorted manner. So I can use hash map. Let me replace with it.
No, you can use object is equals to new map. It doesn't matter. You can use object equals to, then you don't have to change this thing.
Okay, yeah, yes, but I have to like change the other things.
Okay.
Let me check it. Okay, 0 1 0 1 1 1 2 1 Okay, okay, I fix it. How about you? Okay, well, you know, the first step is over. Evaluation. Like this topic, nothing like that. There's a concept like this topic, how I use it. It's
So what are you planning next? Like how are you going to go ahead with it now?
Like I am planning to make again a priority hash map where like we will map each point with their priority number. So that's what we do. So for this, we will like traverse through this loop, through this map, and check for their like a value and assign priority
Okay,
to
fine,
their key
fine, fine, got
accordingly.
it. So how are you going to do that? So you basically want to sort this map uh,
Yeah,
according to the value and not the key. Okay,
yeah,
this is what
yeah.
you this is what you want to achieve. So like go ahead with it and
Yeah.
do it. Shreyansh, you cannot use sort on this because it is not an array.
Yeah, I got it. So,
If you want, you can search it if you don't know how to sort this. The whole purpose of this is that you should,
yeah, so like yeah, so I have to sort, but can I Google it?
yeah, you can Google it. You can Google.
Thanks for the help. Okay, okay. So D is creating multi-dimensional error. D is creating multi-dimensional error. So net indicating meaning is that unfortunately short, dot short, idle sorting error. So we just go for to our mass and then sorted value. We go to the then clean, we go then clean, and share, and this this is like present. So right there. The logic is चार दो वाला है दो तीन वाला है कोई नहीं ठीक है टॉपिक डॉट सॉफ्ट ओके तो हमारा फर्स्ट वैल्यू है सेकंड वैल्यू को सॉफ्ट करना है सेकंड वैल्यू को सॉफ्ट करना है तो डिफरेंशियल ऑर्डर में करना है तो बी1 सॉफ्ट सॉल्व करना है एक बी को सॉल्व करना है एक सॉल्व करना है एक नंबर बी को और बी1 माइनस डिवीजन करना पड़ेगा ठीक है ठीक है बी बी1 माइनस ए Yeah, it is sorted now. So we can assign value.
So you are almost done.
Yeah, I got. Okay. But I one thing I missed here. One thing I missed here. Uh, 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 one thing I missed here. Sorry. No, this shortcut navigation. Even for the filter tool. This be log equal to इनका वन बराबर है then return then return then return then return then zero then zero then सबसे बड़ा होगा उसको कर लेंगे मेरे को रिटर्न कर लेंगे लॉक किया देंगे अगर इक्वल हो गया जैसे क्या बोलते हैं ठीक है तो 3 से सॉल्व कर लेंगे हम 0 से मतलब तो सही है ऐसा फंक्शन कर लेते हैं Okay. If we'll go back, we will go back. Now it is sorted. While it is in the while it is in the जो भी वैल्यू है जो भी वैल्यू उसको सबसे साइन करना है ठीक है तो अभी लिखूंगा net dot set net dot set and our key will be net dot key and this priority so priority value we will decide priority value we will decide priority value
You can do n minus minus here.
yeah and will be 5 and then it's also 5 and then again yeah so net dot set still calculating net dot set we need to do now it is sorted let key and then we priority will be 5 इसको कलेक्ट कर रहा हूँ records. Able of map objects of equal to 0 से 2 yeah it is done now what we can do like we will traverse
You are actually 1, 4, 1, 3, 4. The priority map should get something like 1 should be 4.
yeah like a
Yeah.
a single key and value
Yeah.
single
Sort
key
of
and
like
value
that.
it is
Yes. But this is giving something else, priority dot set key. So your key is not coming correct.
but if I check my like map one okay I got
Why
it
are
my
you
team
doing? See, in
I got it
yeah.
I got it my team correct sorry map one. Now it is right let key of map one my map one white map sorry
You have written 39. You can remove.
My map one is correct. My map one is correct. I am iterating on my map one for let key.
Can you print your map
will
one?
be
Can you
giving
print your map one?
yeah, I already printed it, but I think it's correct. It's actually
Can you print your priority also?
just yeah. So this is my map one. Like it is actually fine, but when I printing my priority, that's where I am getting. That's what I'm getting problem.
Okay. Can you do one thing? So you are saying let key is equals to of map one blah blah blah. Can you print the key here and check what is the key that is coming?
Yeah.
Okay, so key is coming as 24133220 and 41. Okay, so what you can do is that you can take key of 0. Okay, and that is your answer. Okay, keys of 0 you
Yeah.
can take.
Those are the yeah. Yeah. Now it is open.
So it is done. So you are now on the next leg of the program. Last leg is there that you just have
Yeah.
to
So
calculate the sum of everything.
okay. Yeah. So now we have to calculate the like the total priority,
Yes,
total sum of our importance. So
and then return it. That's it.
and then return it. So what will we do is that again, we will iterate through our like a road array, which is a multi-dimensional array, and we will check for the priority like
Yeah,
we
yeah,
will
yeah.
check for the value for each key in our in our priority object.
Yeah. Can you just do it fast because we have
Okay,
done
okay.
already
Got
like
it.
30 minutes into the program.
So what we can do is so our will dot get value what value will get el 0 for element 0 or element 0 we will get element 0 and what will we do is result plus this plus this element 0 plus repeat dot get element of 1 element of 1 so for 0 for 4 to 6 and we are just adding these numbers. That's what we are doing. So we are getting the value of 0, then we are getting the value of 1. And one thing I am forgetting here, okay, element will just 0 and 1. It's still binary, so we'll yeah. So we
You
just
just have
use
to return it.
refresh.
Okay. Yeah.
Yeah,
You have to return.
yeah,
Okay, fine.
and I
Go
think
ahead.
it will work. Yeah, it is now working. You can check for the all test cases. Yeah.
Okay, so it is working for every test case. So good, good. Okay. In the meantime, I'm giving you the next question. Can you open up your VS Code and create a new file and paste it? Okay, open up the VS Code and create a new file.
Yeah.
Okay, I have pasted the code in the chat. Can you just copy? First of all, just give me the answer of what is foo1 and foo2 going to return.
Okay, just a second. Let me do. Okay.
So basically, if I am running console log dot log foo1, console log dot foo2, what will be the answer to both the things?
So like we have like both a return statement is same in both cases. Yeah, that's what we are doing now.
So both will return the same thing.
No. Like I am asking that a return statement in both part is same.
Yes, yes, yes.
Yeah, it will be okay.
Can you just console log foo1 and foo2 so that you know we can print it out and check what is going to be the answer of this thing? Console log foo1 and foo2. So what according to you should be the output of this?
Okay, one return bar
Just save it,
an
save it.
object. It will return an object with the key and value. We are returning an object with key and value, and where we are returning an object with key and value. Both, both 4 and both हाँ तो इसका इसको इसी होगा वेरिएबल होगा जो भी रिटर्न कर रहा है तो इसी में होना चाहिए ये so फर्स्ट विल रिटर्न फाइंड द सेकंड वाले के साथ प्रॉब्लम होगा क्योंकि एक नया एग्जीक्यूशन कॉन्टेक्स्ट होगा जस्ट अ सेकंड नया एग्जीक्यूशन कॉन्टेक्स्ट होगा इसमें पूरा कोड है और रिटर्न का भी कोड है रिटर्न के कोड में एक ऑब्जेक्ट है एक ऑब्जेक्ट है बस इसका भी पूरा कोड है इसमें भी रिटर्न में एक ऑब्जेक्ट है आई थिंक इन बोथ केसेस आउटपुट विल बी द सेम लाइक it will return an object having the key bar and the value will be hello.
Can you run this thing in the
Hello.
terminal? Can you run this
Am
thing
I
in the terminal? Yes, yes.
okay? So let us check. Functions for one, functions for two.
You have to call that function, na? Then only it is going to produce the output.
Sorry. Yeah. Sorry. Sorry. Bar hello and it will show undefined in the second case.
So why is this there and undefined in the second case?
Okay.
Shreyans, can you tell me, do you think it is
execution
going to go
started.
in line number 11? Do you think the program will ever reach line number 11? Can you hover on say line number 12?
Yeah. Okay.
So do you think, do you see the color is different? For example, in line number 4,
Yeah. I know color is different.
and it is also saying that
Color
it
is
is an
different.
unreachable code. Okay. So what happens is that when you are having a new line, then JavaScript automatically takes it as an end of line. So you either provide it a
Yeah.
semicolon, and if you are not providing it a semicolon, then new line then a new line means that this is the end of the line. So JavaScript is thinking that line number
Yeah.
10 is the end of the line. Okay. So it's not returning anything.
Yeah.
You don't have anything in front of return. So it is returning undefined. Nothing is getting returned. But in line number 3, what is there? A block has opened.
Oh,
Okay.
okay. Yeah, okay, I got it. We have this object in a different line, and
Yes.
after
Yes.
return we don't have anything to return any value for return. Yeah, like
Okay.
it's a syntax error. That's why
Yeah.
it is getting undefined.
Yes. Yes. So it is not going to throw an error, but it is going to give you undefined. Okay. Can you delete everything in
Undefined,
this?
yeah.
Can you
Yeah.
delete everything in this file and copy another set of code that I have pasted in the chat?
This one where like the console.log function set timeout.
Yes. Yes. Yes.
Okay.
Can you
Okay,
provide me the
sure.
output of this?
Okay. Let me think. Function, and then we are invoking the function console.log console.log1 and set timeout console.log2 3 and 4. So when I invoke this function, then 1, then 4, then 4, then 4, this will push primary stop, this will push primary stop. So output will be in this case is first 1 will be printed, then 4 will be printed, then 3 will be printed, then 2 will be printed.
Can you write the output on line number 7? Like no, not like
I
this.
am like
Like
I'm
uh, you can write it
okay
so
like
in
this.
a comment form. You can write it. Comment form. You can write it.
Okay,
What will
okay,
be the?
okay.
So you are saying 1 will be there, then 4 will be there, and 2 will be
3
there.
and 2.
Okay. Now, Shreyansh, before we run this program, I'm giving you last chance to think about whether this is right or wrong.
Okay. One sorted. One four sorted.
On line number
One
4, you
sorted.
have 0 as timeout.
Yes, I got it. So जाएगा बेबी पेज में टाइमर अटैच होगा, टाइमर इसमें भी अटैच होगा, टाइमर इसमें भी अटैच होगा. It's like two different code that are used, but वो बाद में I'm just so I think this is the right answer.
Okay, just run this program.
One four three two.
Okay, good. Very good. Very good, Shreyansh. I was, testing whether you will be, get confused regarding your concepts and whether you are going to change your answer or not. Okay. So that is something that
No, like
yes, yes.
I got your question, where in most of the interviews, like this is very general question. Like I have given 5 to 6 interviews, and everywhere they ask question and promises callbacks and set timeout. Like a mix of these things even. So
Okay. Yes,
so
yes.
I know
Very
I
good.
can solve it.
Can you copy the next question that I've given? Just remove everything and copy the new one.
Okay, so like const array, you have given
Yeah, yeah.
const array and something something. Okay.
Just remove everything that is there.
Okay.
Okay. So can you just delete number 5 in this array?
Yeah. I have to delete number 5 in this array.
Okay. So the array should, after you have deleted number 5, the array should look like 2, 9, 12, 98, and 43.
Okay. 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 So we can delete it by running a loop. So first, what will we do is first we find the
No, no.
index of that number. So when we find it,
No, I'm telling you to go to index number 1 and delete it. I've given you index also.
okay.
So 5 is on index number 1. I'm
Yeah.
telling you to
So
delete index number 1.
I think there is a delete key for the object. Delete key. There is a delete key for the object. There is a delete key for the object. So so did I need to change the array size accordingly, na? Because when I delete it, so I also have to change the array size. Okay.
You can
So
do whatever
suppose
you want and you just delete it. Okay. At the end, I just
okay.
want 2, 9, 12,
Okay.
98, and 40.
Okay, got it. So what we do, we copy this, we copy this, we copy this, we copy this, and in last we do the pop, we do the pop. So this minus this minus this minus this, and what we do, we write area 5 equal to area 5 plus 1, area 5 plus 1, and in last we do array dot pop, and it will work fine. It will work fine. So if I pass up and speed up area, I have to write area. I have to write area as I think it. Area. So, I plus 1 will be there, so I equal to 1, so 0, 1, 2 will be there, and for 2, 3 will be there, 4 will be there, 5 will be there, it will jump from here, so with this plus 43 will be there, and then I will do 43 for this is the, yeah, it is done.
Okay, fine. Uh, can
So like I
you?
will explain you what I did, what I did. So like I have started from the index which I have given, like the element which I want to remove, and run a loop. Then what I did is copied the next element to our previous index. So after
Shreyansh, I
copying
have
that,
I
when we
have
like
given a code I have given some code in the chat. Can you just copy it and paste it here?
okay, there is that splice index and then one. Yeah. So splice splice फिर हटा था splice जो हटा था ऐड कर पहले हटा था index हटा देगा. So like what I need to do with this, I don't, what is the question
Yeah.
for
So the
me?
thing is that you can remove the code that you have written, and instead you can remove from line number 5 to line number 10. Just comment it out from line number 5 to line number 10. Comment it out
Okay.
and just paste my code on line number 11. Okay, you can write console.log on line number this thing array. Yes,
Okay.
paste it
Okay.
here.
No issue. No issue.
Come decomment your line number 12. Okay. Now in index you can write 1 in line number 11.
I got you.
Run it.
Yeah. Like you have used directly this splice method to remove an index.
Okay. So instead of iterating all through the array, for example, if this array had 1000 elements, okay, then your loop is going to
Mm,
run for
mm.
1000 times. Okay, you got my point, what I'm trying to make here.
Okay.
Okay, you could have just
Yeah,
done it in one.
I got your point, but
Yes, yes,
yeah, like no, if you talk about the time complexity in both cases, but I think for the both cases, time complexity will be the same because the spice will work also like this. Now, how did they know? Like if he know like which element I to remove, but he also need to reduce the size of the array. So no, if you check the time complexity of both the things, then both time complexity will be the same. But yeah, our splice will reduce our task, so we can wrap it up in just one line.
yes.
But if you went to the like time complexity part, then it will both work the same way.
Okay, fine. Got your point. Got your point. Okay, Shriyan. So let me give my feedback to you. So
Okay.
I would just tell you one thing that before you attempt any question, for example in DSA, just try to calm yourself up for 2 3 minutes. Okay. Maybe you are thinking this is a graph problem. Maybe you are
Okay.
thinking this is a greedy problem. Maybe you are thinking this is a dynamic problem. Maybe it's not. Okay. So what will happen is that you will start thinking in some other direction. For example, you will try BFS, DFS, but maybe it's a simple array problem or a simple greedy problem is there. Okay. So the first question was a simple greedy problem and a greedy array problem. Okay. So first is that, and you have a very good grasp on JavaScript. Okay. So
Okay.
there is no problem in that. Uh, one more thing that I would tell you is that you should have all the things that are there. Na? In say map is there, sort, filter, reduce, splice. You should have a grasp over all these basic functions. Okay, because most of the things you will be able to solve with
Okay.
this. Okay, fine. And I think so. Most of the things you are already good at, so there is no issue in that. Okay. One more thing is that what are kind of projects that you have done?
Okay, so like I have did like 4 to 5 projects in the past 4 months, and most of the projects are like where I have developed the backend part of our project, like the book management. So we have APIs, and there will be two or three features where a user can get the access a list of the books and other things, and where a author can publish his book and maintain his books. And I have did some sort of many similar projects like this. One more project which I have did is the is tiny URL. So tiny URL is actually when a user want to convert a long URL into a short URL. So that's where my project came in the picture. So what we did, we taken input a long URL as a input from a user, and we will give them a short URL instead of that a long URL. So whenever a client or any other person click on that short URL, so it will redirect them to the long URL. And
Okay.
apart from this, I also did 2 to 3 projects, but they are very similar in this way.
Okay, Shreyan. So one more thing I would like you to tell you is that you should work more on your communication part because I think you stammer a lot while speaking. Okay, so that could be an issue with
Uh,
some people, but I didn't have an issue with that. Okay, so try to speak
uh,
more and yeah, go ahead.
Hello, I have a problem with stemming from my childhood. But I have also worked on this because especially when I get nervous or afraid of something, then this stammering it become very rigorous. So, but I have worked on this, and I also constantly working on this to
Okay, so
get rid of the
I
stammering.
would give you one more advice is that give as many mock interviews as you can. Okay, so what will happen is that you
Okay,
will never get nervous when you are giving a regular interview. It will feel more like you are giving a mock interview itself. Okay, so for you especially, I would tell you to give as many mock interviews as you can. Okay, so that would be really very
okay,
helpful for you, and it will boost your confidence and it will increase chances also. Okay, thank
okay.
you, Shreyansh, for your time. I think we are almost
Sir, hello.
there. Yes,
Sir,
yes.
excuse me, sir. I have one more question. Since you asked question mostly on a DSA, so I want to tell you one thing that we just are working on our DSA from past 1.5 months. So I didn't have a much grasp on the topics like graphs or dynamic programming and a grid algorithm. So how will I cope with the upcoming interviews or other things?
See, for example, I'll tell you, I work for Adobe, so I take interviews in Adobe. Okay,
Okay,
so if someone is
okay,
going for say is a fresher or is having an experience of 1 to 2 years, we only ask them DSA questions. So we have 5 rounds of interviews and we only ask them DSA questions. And each and every time that DSA question becomes tough and tougher. Okay, so if you want to go into organizations such as Adobe, Microsoft, or Amazon and all, you have to have a very good grasp on DSA. One more thing that I would tell you, Shreyans, is that first 2 rounds are of DSA and DSA only. From third and
so
fourth round, they are going to
I
ask
got
you.
yeah.
From third and fourth round, they are going to
Sir,
ask you Node.js and all.
Sir, I know these things since few of my friends are already working there. But as I mentioned you that at function up from past from 1 to 1.5 months, just we are working on a DSL. Before that, we are working on JavaScript, HTML, CSS, and Node.js and other things. But recently, there are many interviews. There are many companies coming for the placement, and they are rigorously asking questions on DP, bit manipulation, and other things. And I am not able to crack those assignments, test, and even interview. So I want to know how
Do you
like
want
in
me to
how
provide? Do you want me to provide resources for to you for that?